Okay, this video is going to illustrate a new feature in version 10 for using control vectors to adjust either regular features or images. So what I've got on the screen here is a terrain file with an image in it, and I'm going to bring into that terrain file a set of vectors. Just drag and drop to insert them here. In they come. I'll now do a zoom extents on that, and I see that the vectors do not line up with my imagery. And I happen to know that the imagery is in the correct coordinate system, so I'm going to use this new feature in version 10 to transform these vectors to match up with the imagery. So the new function is available under Move Size Rotate by Vectors, and pops up a modeless dialog box which allows me to take a point on the vector set and transform it to a point on the image. And there's one vector added. Now I'm going to add another vector. Same thing, I create the vector and then I can adjust it using the mouse. Of course, I could have entered coordinates explicitly. I'll just do this quite quickly. So I've got two vectors set up to map that selection set onto the image. And when I push OK, what's going to happen is a rotation and translation and scaling operation is going to be performed to transform those vectors to match up with my imagery. So this can be used for all sorts of applications, traverses, field gathered data that you want to match up with other georeferenced data. So there I'm going to go. Let's just go ahead and do that. It's moved the vectors in. Now I'll do a zoom extents, and you can see my vectors now approximately match the image. So that's a new feature in version 10.